Rohit Rathod of Section Ferrari from CSC Data Science. My topic is Goals of Protection. Goals of Protection. Protecting sensitive data is essential for safeguarding against unauthorized access, breaches and data loss. The main goal is to ensure confidently integrated and availability. Then we will be seeing the principle of protections. First is data confidentiality, data integrity and data availability. Establishing strict controls to limit access to sensitive information. Next, data integrity. Ensuring that data remains accurate, consistent and reliable. Third is data availability. Marking sure that authorized user can access information when needed. Next we will be seeing about domain of protection. First is application security, second one is endpoint security and third is network security. First, application security. Protecting software and system from security threats. Second is endpoint security. Safeguarding devices such as laptops, mobile, phone and other endpoints. Third one is network security. Securing the networking infrastructure and network accessible resource. Next we will be seeing how access matrix. First is flexible access, adaptive and scalable, granting privileges based on roles, needs and responsibilities. Next is granular, precise and detailed, defining specified access rights for different user and resource. Next we will be seeing the security policies. First is policy documentation and second is acceptable use policy. Policy documentation says that clear and comprehensive guidelines for data protection and privacy. Acceptable use policy says that rules and guidelines for using technology, resource and data. Next we will be seeing the threat modeling. First is identifying threat factor and second is vulnerability identification. Identify threat actors, analyze potential adversaries and their motives. Vulnerability identification, access system weakness and potential attack surface. Next we will be seeing about risk assessment. First is risk identification, second one is risk analysis and third is risk mitigation. Identifying risk is the operating environment and IT infrastructure. Second is risk analysis, evaluating and prioritizing risk based on their potential acts and likelihood. Third one is risk mitigation, developing strategy to manage and reduce risk to an acceptable level. Next we will be seeing about incident response. First is preparation, developing an incident response plan and training response teams. Second one is detection, monitoring system for potential security incidents and breaches. Third one is containment, isolating affected system and limiting the impact of the incident. Thank you.